Hello, everybody. Welcome back to WhatsX Math. Today, we are going to learn how to solve two equations together using something called the substitution method. That name may sound new to you, but don't worry. We will learn it step by step. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to find the value of both letters x and y. Let's begin.
Look at these two equations. Our goal is to find the value of x and y. Now look carefully at the second equation. Can you see something helpful? It already tells us what the value of y is. It says y equals 4. Since y is 4, we can put 4 anywhere where we see y. Putting value of y as 4 in equation 1 becomes x plus 4 equals 10. Now we only have one letter x. How do we find x? Let's subtract minus 4 from both sides. On the left side, 4 and 4 cancels out, so we are left with x. And on the right side, 10 minus 4 is 6. So the value of x is 6 and y is 4. Let's check. X plus y equals 6 plus 4 equals 10, which is fitting into our original equation. So that is a good sign. Let's try another one. Again, the second equation already tells us what y is. What number should replace y? That's right, y equals 2. Putting the value of y equals 2 in equation 1 becomes x minus 2 equals 5. How do we remove minus 2? We add 2 to the both sides. Adding 2 to both sides of the equation. On the left side, plus 2 and minus 2 cancels out. We are left with x, and on the right side, 5 plus 2 is 7. So we have x equals 7 and y equals 2. Let's do a quick check on equation number 1. X minus y equals 7 minus 2 equals 5, which becomes our first equation. So this is correct answer.
This one is little different. Look at the second equation. It does not tell us what x or y is. Sometimes before we substitute, we need to find one letter by itself. Let's make x by itself. To remove y, add y to the both sides. On the left side, y and y cancels, we are left with x, and on the right side, there is 3 plus y. Now we are ready to use our substitution method. Where do we see x in this equation? In the first equation, we replace x with 3 plus y. This could be written as 3 plus 2y equals 9. To remove 3, we'll do minus 3 on both sides. So minus 3 would give us, with this cancelled, 2y equals 6. Now to put y by itself, we'll divide both sides by 2. Therefore, y equals 3. Great. Now we know y equals 3. Let's go back to the first equation. Let's go back and find x. X equals 3 plus y. What is the value of y? 3. That equals 6. Let's check. First equation is x plus y equals x is 6 and y is 3 equals 9. This satisfies the first equation, so this is correct. Again, we'll check with the second equation. X minus y equals 3. X minus y equals 6 minus 3 equals 3, which satisfies this equation as well. So this is correct answer. One more example. Just like the last time, the second equation doesn't have a letter by itself. It consists of two letters, x and y. So first, let's put the x by itself. X minus y equals 5. We have to find x by itself, so adding y to the both sides. Y and y cancels on the left. We are left with x equals 5 plus y. This is our equation number 2. Putting the value of x equals to 5 plus y in equation number 1, we have to find the value of y. So the equation 1 is 2 times x plus y equals 19. Now 2 times x needs to be written in bracket because whatever is the value of x, that should be multiplied by 2. Whatever is the value of x, it should be completely multiplied by 2. Or 10 plus 2y plus y equals 19. Or 10 plus 3y equals 19. Now to subtract 10, to only have 3y on the left side, we need to subtract 10 from both sides. So what we can do is 10 plus 3y minus 10 equals 19 minus 10. Now 10 and 10 cancels on the left side, so we are left with 3y equals 9. Dividing both sides by 3, value of y is 3. Now we have to find the value of x as well. So x, putting the value of y in the equation number 2, we get x equals 5 plus 3. So the value of x is 8. Now we have x equals 8 and y equals 3. Let's check. In the first equation, 2 times x is 2 times 8 plus 3. That would be 16 plus 3 equals 19. First equation is satisfied. In second equation, that is x minus y, 8 minus 3 equals 5. This satisfies the second equation also. So our answer is correct. There are certain steps we have to follow for the substitution method. First is to find the letter by itself. Then we have to replace it in the other equation. After that, we solve the other equation and find one letter. Then we have to find the other letter. After that, we check whether the value of the letters match or not. These 5 steps work every time. Take them one at a time. Do not rush. Challenge question. Pause the video and try it yourself. Did you get x equals 7 and y equals 5? Great job if you did. Thank you for watching the video and I'll see you in the next lesson.